Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Meltwater AI to automate media response drafts. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Meltwater AI for automating media response drafts, start by logging into your Meltwater account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the AI features section. Click on Media Response Automation. You will see options for configuring AI settings. Select the Enable AI Drafts toggle to activate the feature. Next, proceed to the Templates section. Create a new template or edit an existing one that suits your needs. Enter relevant keywords that should trigger the template. Set the tone and style preferences for the automated responses. Save your changes to ensure that the template is stored in the system. Now, go to the Monitoring tab to set up your media tracking preferences. Add keywords and phrases relevant to your organization. Configure alerts for media mentions based on these criteria. Return to the AI Features section. Choose the training option to enhance the AI's responsiveness. Review the guidelines for inputting historical responses for training purposes. Upload your previous response drafts to provide context for the AI. Once uploaded, confirm that the AI has processed the data correctly. After training the AI, move on to the testing feature. Run a test scenario using recent media mentions to see how the AI performs. Evaluate the drafts generated by the AI for accuracy and relevance. If needed, refine your templates based on feedback from the AI output. Once satisfied, finalize the settings and go back to the main dashboard. Monitor the effectiveness of the automation via reports in the Analytics section. Continue to update your templates and training data as necessary. Regularly engage with the AI system to optimize performance over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.